to a brand new video on Carp Fishing with Jay's channel. It's been a minute, but I'm back. First session of the year. I'll show you rigs I'm using, bait I'm putting out, everything throughout the video. But yeah, stay tuned. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out when I post another banger just like this one.
What are you saying, Jay?
We're back and we're better.
How long have you been here for, Jay?
I would say this rod's probably been out about 2 hours now.
2 hours.
I'm guessing it's a common.
Quick corner.
Yeah, I was hoping you and your dad get ready, and then yeah, it just started beeping all over the place.
You got a nice little sunset over there, Jay, with your little fish coming?
Views, innit?
Yeah, man.
We're back and we're better, look, see? Solid bags.
Solid bags are the things.
Only put a little bit of bait out. Nice solid bag. Oh, I thought that was a limit, you know? Or a mirror. Didn't look too big though.
Yeah, I think it's a mirror linear.
Oh yeah, it's a lin.
That was easy.
And there we go, first one of the year, our first session back, first session of 2025. And this lovely 14.5 pound linear has popped over to a yellow sweet corn solid bag rig. So yeah, well happy with that. My rod's been out for about 2 hours now, and yeah, I'm well happy with that. First carp of the year, Jay's back in action. Bring on the more of the carp, yeah?
Yeah, come on.
Come on the carp. Catch his breath, right?
Oh, Jay, you're proud of yourself for your first
Yeah,
fish.
Man.
And your first, especially all our fish are the first is commons, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, especially from this swim.
That corner right down there is common city.
Always.
But now we'd have a new guest in town, Jay, innit?
You know that. It's a nice sit linear. Ready to go? That's it. Go on. Go on. Come on, get in there.
What do you say, Jay?
Bash.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
Just as I reset my first one, the second one.
Jay,
far right. It's gone off. Literally like 2 fish in 15 minutes.
2 year olds go set for the middle one.
Yeah. That was good though. I'm glad it went off as I'm here, bro. Otherwise I'd have been sprinting.
Like earlier.
Right time though.
Might be. I thought it'd be further out. Was that another linear? I have a little play about, Jay.
I'm sure it's like.
It's common. Oh, that's a big boy. That's a big one. Yeah, boy. Might be PVJ. Oh, never mind. I'll take some. Come on, the cup, Jay.
Oh, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
About 10-15 minutes after the first one went, the second one's gone. This one came in at 23.6. Yeah. Another yellow sweet corn. So them solid bags are doing the justice. The back margin, 21 wraps out. And look at that. Just before sunset, or as the sun setting, sorry. Whee! Yeah, there we go. Lovely. Looks like not even one single scale was missing. Lovely comment. Bosh.
Nice.
Bosh.
or if it goes back in the deeps.
2 hours later.
We have it. What an absolute result. 2 carp already. You cannot complain. Right now it's about 6:30. The sun is almost fully set. So yeah, the hours of darkness fast approach. But it doesn't mean the carnage is over. Tomorrow morning when it's light, I will show you guys my spots, rigs and bait I'm putting out. And yeah, you'll see everything I'm using that could potentially help you while you're out on the bank. But yeah, it's good to be back. It's been a while. Later on in the video I'll explain why I've been gone for so long, as the last time I posted a video was June last year. It's now March. So, but there's a few reasons for that, but don't worry, I'll explain later on. I'm here with Ben and Leo, and they're fishing a peg next to me. We're currently on bridge swim. They're on peg 5, the one next door. Yeah, we're in for a good shout, to be honest. There's 2 so far. It's very promising. I've still got another basically 24 hours, so looking good, boy, looking good. Dinner's coming up soon. I know a lot of you like the dinner sections on these videos. Don't worry, Chef Ben is back. He's ready to lay it down. So yeah, it's looking good, can't complain.
Stop it. Get some help.
And look at that, we're back at Burgess, so you know what that means. We've got, what's this? Slow cooked chicken, jerk rice, done by the man, the myth, the legend, Benjamin. He's back and he's ready, yeah. We've got Leo again. What's happening, Lee? She's coughing down, look. Go on, the boy. And yeah, dinner is served.
A few moments later.
Fish number 3 is on. And it's tucked inside the bags.
Mm-hmm.
No, what, 4 left? Yeah, it's a good start. It's a good start. That's a fish off each rod. Each spot is gone. Each spot is gone. Ooh, what's that?
Is it a leather?
They look like quite clean.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, it's like mirror.
A ghosty? No.
Mirror. That's a nice mirror. I've had one of each now. Maybe that's common in the mirror.
That's a nice one. The leather. Come on, Jay.
Oh, yes, we're in the middle. And just like that, the middle rod has gone off. So now the left, the middle, and the right has all gone off. This is my 3rd one so far. It's gone off again to a yellow sweet corn in a solid bag. He's feeling like a 20. Gonna weigh him in a sec, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly get him dealt with. Get that rod back out because it's popping off now. Feels like bite time, so we don't want to miss out on another one. But yeah, that's every rod gone now, and that's also a linear, a common, and now a mirror. Look at him. I'll quickly show you the other side when he wants to give way. And yeah, look at that. It's like single scale, and then the bottom, it's got quite a few scales. But yeah, there we go. That's fish number 3. Having a blind over session as well. First one back. Just smashing it. It's gone on the solid bags. That's good. But
Ah, shit. Here you go again.
no, it's getting cold. Bloody hell, mate. Just had another one. Number 4 in the net. Middle rod again.
Oh, that's a little.
It's alright, isn't it?
What's that green stuff in there? What's that?
There's a bag attached to the line as well. Caught a bag and a fish.
TV in that.
Trust it.
TV bag.
Okay, that's number 4. It's looking really good, but we'll quickly get Whoa, what's going in then?
Joe, what did you do if you did run in?
No, mate. Bloody freezing. Yeah, 22 and a half. He wants to go. There we go. And he's off. Gosh.
Oh, Jay.
Look at that for a view. Lovely. All set up. Nice little bivvy tour. Essential in winter. These will come in handy. Tackle side, cooking side. Look at that. Good morning. It's about 7 o'clock. May or may not have one in the net. See, I had 4 last night, or 4 since yesterday. 1 this morning. That went about 6:30. It's now about 7. But yeah, doing alright to be honest. 5 fish. Can't complain. I was expecting a nice sunny sunrise, but loads of clouds. So maybe the sun comes on later on. Just been tying up a few bags. So I'm just gonna make a cup of tea and get these rods back out. I didn't put the other rod up last night because it's too cold. Couldn't be asked. I'll show you my spots very shortly, but yeah, let's get these rods back out and just get them on the dance floor. Yeah. And there we have it. All 3 rods are out on the dance floor. They both landed exactly where I want them. First try. It was lovely when you're using solid bags. You don't want to keep redoing and retying bags, so that's good. The other one dropped nicely. So yeah, now it's just a waiting game. I'm expecting it to start warming up soon. I think as the hours go on, the degree in Celsius starts to climb. So yeah, I'm not expecting anything so fast. But once it gets a bit more warmer, hopefully catch another bite. Once Ben and Leo up, and help me get them to help me weigh and take a nice picture of this fish, and yeah, release them back into the wild. 5 landed after I've been here 12 hours, maybe a bit more, a bit longer, sorry. That's good, especially for your first session back in over 6 months. You know you're doing something right, and you never lose it. Get a nice brew going and see when these boys are gonna wake up. Yeah, peace. Good morning. Leo wants to show off his solid bag.
Oh, no, that's horrendous. Is it tangled?
Is it tangled? No. Slacken off a little bit though. Leo, the YouTubes miss you, bro.
No.
Since you've been gone, your balls have dropped, bro. Not bad.
Oh, yeah.
How'd you feel?
Huh?
How'd you feel?
Normal.
Normal.
Oh.
You look like you're about to go rob a bank.
Hey, yo, take me a cake.
And there we go. The early morning capture. £19.10. A lovely, clean looking common. Again, from a yellow sweet corn in a solid bag. Can't fault him. Yeah, look at him sticking his daughter up as well. He's showing off now. Yeah, lovely stuff. Leo's now awake, so he's the one behind the camera. So yeah.
You know why, Jay?
Huh?
You know why I'm awake?
Why?
Told.
Yeah, they'll see. I got to record. But yeah, we're slipping back now. And yeah, the rod's already out, so we'll see if they'll lift again. Bosh. Okay. When you're ready, fish. He goes. Carp number 5. Come on. Alright, so spots wise, let me see if I can get my finger in it. One rod here, one rod here, and the other rod here. I've had 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish. This one, 19 wraps. I just walked that one round, to be honest. 21 wraps. 21 wraps again.
So you made me yeah, I'm learning. I just caught me a German. Nowadays it's Audi I'm turning. She knows one thing for certain. She just want a nigga that can fuck right.